Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite cat fractional quantifiers. So in today's daily DILR set, we are going to do a very good set on uh, truth teller liar binary logic basically. And it is one of the finest sets, not finest but very interesting set that I have seen upon this, a very different kind of set. So let's see what the set is all about. So it says, in a Rolo Polo tournament, there are three teams A, B and C, and they were in fray of a final winner position. Each team consisted of two members, one of whom was labeled as Rolo and the other was a Polo. So there were three teams, A, B and C. They had one Rolo and they had one Polo, each of them, right? Okay. The peculiar characteristics of all the Rolos was that they never lied. So all the Rolos are truth teller, while all the Polos are liars, right? It is given to me. So the name of six people are A, B, C, D, E, F. So in sequence, the name of six people are A, B, C, D, and E, F. Now, how should I approach this set, or what should be my basic thing that I should look for while I am seeing this? A says two statements, B says two statements, and rest of the people are saying one statement. अब हमेशा हम इन सेट्स में क्या करते हैं? हमेशा हम इन सेट्स में we assume someone to be a truth teller and then we check if the complete system is consistent or not. ठीक है? So I'll assume one of A, B, C, D, E, F to be a truth teller, and then I'll see that if my system is setting out to be consistent or not. ठीक है? And why or whom I will choose to be the truth teller? The person who has given the maximum and the direct statements. So here A has given two statements, B has also given two statements. Now you yourself take a pause and see that which player or which person has given the direct statement and whom should I assume as a truth teller. A says C is representing team B, B is representing team C. So A is telling me about the position of two players, right? About the team composition of two players. While B is telling me that about himself, the team player of the composition of one team and some other clue. Since A is giving me a more direct clue as compared to B, therefore I will assume that A is my truth teller. In this case, that I'll assume that A is my truth teller and I'll check whether my system turns out to be consistent or not. If not, I'll assume then obviously I'll assume B to be truth teller. There are six people: A, B, C, D, E and F. So A says A को मैंने माना है Rolo. A is a Rolo, right? So A says C is representing team B. So C is representing team B. And B is representing team C. B is representing team C. Okay, right? So A is a Rolo. Now B stated that I am from team B. B ने अपने बारे में कहा था कि मैं team B से हूँ. लेकिन B तो team C में है क्योंकि मैंने A को Rolo माना हुआ है. Which means B statement is a false statement. Which means this is a Polo lie. Since this is a lie, which means B is a Polo. Now, B's second statement was none of A, C and E is from team A. That इनमें से कोई भी team A में से नहीं है. None of A, C and E is from team A. This is a lie. ठीक है? Which means that at least one of A, C and E is from team A. इनमें से कोई एक तो पक्का होगा, right? Okay. So let's see. Do I know? So A statement are taken care of. B statement are taken care of. So I am left with four statement and the results. So who else is? C and B are placed. B's positions are already taken care of. C, let's see what C has said. E1 and I are from same team. So E is saying that C and E are from same team. So let us say that C is a Rolo. Let us say that C is a Rolo. And he is saying that C and E are from same team. So E must be here. And then E must be Polo because there is one Rolo and one Polo. And what is E saying? E saying F and I are from different teams. Yani F and E are from different teams. Can I say this is a true statement? Because अगर C और E pair हो गए हैं तो F को तो अलग ही जाना पड़ेगा. Since it is a true statement, which means that E is also a Rolo. Since E is also a Rolo, that my condition is contradicting that there should be one Rolo and one Polo. which means that C is not a Rolo. My assumption that C is a Rolo is a wrong assumption. So C is a Polo. C is also a Polo, and I need a Rolo with him now. Okay. So I need a Rolo with him. So what else is given to me about the team? Okay. F says about the team D. F says that D is a Polo from team B. D is a Polo from team B. But can I say it is not possible because C is already a Polo there? So D, it is also a lie. So F is saying a lie. Since F is saying a lie, which means F is a Polo. So if F is a Polo, I have my three Polos as B, C, and F. So if B, C, and F are Polos, then A, D, and E are Rolos. Right? Okay. Now, okay, let's see. See, B is already a Polo. C is already a Polo. Then F must be here because in each team there is one Polo and one Rolo. Right? Okay. Now let's see what else is there. Now C is already here, so C cannot be here. So यहाँ से मेरे पास एक A आएगा या एक E आएगा. E says F and I are from different team, and this is a truth. This is a truth. So if this is a truth by E, then E cannot be here because he is from a different team from F. Therefore, A must be here, and A is a Rolo, and E must be here or here. Okay. Now C said that E and I are from same team. So C ने कहा था कि E और C same team से हैं, वो lie था. यानी E जो है वो यहाँ तो हो ही नहीं सकता. Therefore, E must be here, and E is a Rolo. Then who is left? D is left. D is also Rolo. So D is from here. Okay, so this completes my set. This satisfies all my conditions, and nothing is being challenged by my basic assumption that A was a Rolo. So this completes my set. Okay. So let's see what are the questions. Who among the following is from team B? Team B say C or D. So D, yani ki only option number 2. Only 2. Which of the following is the right combination? D and Rolo are the right combination. Okay. Who among the following is from team A? F and A, only A is here done. What can be said about the following two statement? F is from team A, E is from team C. Both are correct. Both are correct statements. So therefore, this option. So this completes my set. I hope you guys have understood it because it was a pretty straightforward set. And if you did, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.